Hey there, my name is Mohammed Hassan. I have been on Upwork for 2 years now. I'm happy to welcome you to my profile. I'm a native Somali speaker. I also speak fluent English. I'm proud to be a top-rated Somali freelancer on Upwork. I offer the following service to Upwork clients: Somali translation, transcription, proofreading, voiceover, and remote interpretation. I currently live in Dadaab, Kenya, where I have worked for numerous NGOs, supported the facilitation of interviews and training. Please contact me if you have any question. I will be very happy to work on new work projects. Thank you.